Hello mga guys, another day, another vlog. So ito nga ang aming first travel in 2026 at ayan, kasalukuyan kaming nasa highway if you can see.
Salamat po, maraming salamat po. I don't know what the sign is.
Thank you very much.
I know but I don't know
I
what.
cannot see municipal of
Luwengisio.
I cannot read.
Yeah, I got rice fields on both sides. And then see if you can see what this
The church.
is. It a church?
Wow.
Forest Lake. Either that or oh, it's under construction.
Beautiful, na?
Yeah.
So guys, first time nga ni Apam na bumiyahe dito sa Baler, Aurora. At ako ay nakarating na dito mga 15 years ago. So I think marami nang nagbago. At for this trip, ayan, nakita namin ang napakagandang simbahan. At we are here na nga at Maria Aurora. So nandito na kami sa Baler. Ayan, papunta pala kami ng Sabang Baler, which is doon ang tourist spot na Muslim pinupuntahan ng mga dayuhan or mga turista. At nandun din ang surfing capital ng Luzon. Ayan guys, hini-enjoy namin yung view na bawat madadaanan namin. At syempre, along the way, nakatulog pala ako.
Madalas ang aksidente dito.
Good reading.
Yes. It's right along the river.
Wow. Amazing. So nga pala sa mga favorite kong view dito ay ang kanilang coconut view, 'di ba? Napaka sarap sa pakiramdam na makakita ng maraming coconuts. Big waves.
Let's turn around.
Ayan guys, so nakarating na kami dito sa dagat ng Baler, Aurora at kita nyo naman yung mga alon ng tataas. Kasing taas ng best friend mong social climber. No. So ayan, nandito na kami sa restaurant para breakfast or brunch or break dance. Ayan, habang kami nag-aantay sa aming in-order na pagkain ay ito nga, nakatingin lang kami dito sa bundok dito na may bahay, di ba? Ang astig. And here we are again, syempre busog na kami dyan. So kami ay naglakad-lakad muna para magpababa ng aming mga kinain. Ayan, ang astig ng kanilang ano dito ng kanilang mga mini restaurant or mini cafe. Ang cool lang. Yeah. Look at that, oh. Ooh. Oh, wow. I wonder what is this?
Look at the sunset.
Huh?
Hey, tomorrow we gotta get up in time to get the sunrise.
Yeah, we wanna wake up early?
They said 6?
Yeah, 6 to 10.
10, right? I wonder what time the sunrise is.
6 o'clock. Why? 5:30?
It's late.
This is nice. Very good, very nice.
30 inside.
Oh my God.
24. Sunrise.
Yeah.
6:24. Oh, perfect. We can come down to breakfast early.
What time? 5 o'clock?
No, they open at 6.
6.
I love how your brain works.
My brain works?
I love how it works.
Yeah, it works good.
Just like clockwork.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that. But it's nice
They have a
outside.
very good, very nice.
Hey, it's the sunset though over the mountaintop. Look.
Yeah. This is the walking bay in baler. You know, walking around. Oh, babe, let's keep walking.
Souvenirs.
Yeah, but they're close.
Oh. I don't know what this is.
So
Restaurant.
I know why they make like this, because it like it got a big waves. That's why they build this into a big
Break.
break.
Big surf break.
Yeah. There's another one over there.
Yeah. So
Wow.
go in between these two. It's like the taste buds.
Yeah.
Well,
Where? Taste
taste
bud.
buds.
What you wanna do there?
Well,
Bear? You want to have a bear?
might do that.
Nobody there though.
Okay.
Wow. Oh, they have a live band also.
Where? Oh, they're getting ready.
They're getting ready.
Oh, well, if we could make sure we had a way to get home.
Yeah, we can. I think tricycle they have.
What are they selling here? Cow. Want to go look
Wow,
at it?
they have a nice.
I'm full, but
Yeah, me too. I'm full. You want the beer?
where?
Anywhere.
Sleazy Brothers. Oh, no, it's not Sleazy. Here we
Wow,
go. Spot.
this is the main
Oh,
area.
okay. Get the name of that.
What's
It's the cheese spot.
yeah, this part. Why this part? Oh my god! End of
And
okay.
look at the haunted mansion.
Where?
Turn to the left. Right
The
here.
left? Where? Oh yeah. Do you think that's a haunted mansion? No parking. Yeah, it looks scary. There's I see
It's a ghost. Oh, it's just
Santa
Santa
Claus.
Claus.
Wow.
Want to go up on the...
There?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can. Why not? Oh, look at this.
Fujiyama bar.
Oh, nice little canteen. Abro. Fujiyama. Look. Fujiyama bar. Come on, let's go upstairs.
Yeah.
Alright. Let's go some walking. So,
That's cool.
yeah, it's very cool.
The monument. Gets buried in sand.
Right here. Grabe, sobrang hangin dito, guys. Alright. At pagkatapos nga ng mahabang lakaran ay pumunta na kami dito sa restaurant. Katapat to ng aming hotel. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you on my next vlog.